Once again, welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about support for Google Camera, that's Camera2 API support or the GCam support for all Android devices. So first of all, we need to identify whether the device supports the Camera2 API or not. Okay, so we can do this simply using one application, that is a Camera2 API probe. So you can see over here that is a Camera2 API probe. We need to install this application. So I have installed this application in my device and now I shall open it. So let's tap it here. Now we can see that this is the Camera2 API label here. The camera facing, that is a back for with the camera means this is for back camera with a camera ID 0, and we need to check this hardware support level, that is level 3 for the back camera. And if we scroll down, we have an option for the front facing camera with the camera ID, and it also support the hardware support level 3. The Camera2 API has 4 different levels. Basically, that is a level 3 full, limited, legacy. In case legacy, that means that the device not support Camera2 API and limited to Camera1 API features. In case of limited, that means some of the capabilities, some of the features of the Camera2 API is available. In case of full, that means the device fully supports all the major capabilities of the Camera2 API, and now this device supports level 3. Okay, that means we can install the GCam, that's a Google camera, in the device in this device also. Okay, and to do this we can move on to the XDA website. Links are available in the description, so you can check the description for the link. And beside that, a few more important thing is that on your device the Google Play service must be installed, or the micro G or GCam service provider must be installed for this to work properly. And beside that, in some cases we also need to install the additional XML configuration file that is mentioned over here. Okay, so these are the supported devices over here. We can find the device which one we want to use. Like you can find your device supported in the device list. So this is the Asus Max Pro M1, so I will select the Asus Max Pro M1 over here. So to download so first of all we need to download the file. Okay, so this is the non-Google camera port, and here we have option. Okay, so as I will click over here, and now I have option. Okay, this is the site from where I can download the file. So this is the version 8 over here, and I need to download this file. Okay, so the file is about to download. Okay, so once the download will complete, we can install this application in the device. Okay, so the application has been downloaded now, and we need to install this application. So let's click over here and click on the install. Okay, so the GCam has been installed over here now, and let's see whether it works or not. So I have started the application, and now I can see that this device supports the GCam. Okay, so this is the Google camera over here, ported to Asus Max Pro M1 also. So this is how you can install in the device. Okay, let's capture all the things. So these are the options, and let's see. So all the things are working properly over here. Okay, so other features are also available here. Okay, like a lens blur, photo sphere, portrait mode, setting mode, panorama mode, and in case of video recording we have another options like these are the settings over here. Okay, so friend, this is how you can install the application or Google camera in your devices. Okay, and for the list of supported devices, you can simply find it on the Exodia website, and the links are available in the description of the video. So you can visit the website and find the supported device, or whatever device you wish to use to install the Google camera. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching my video. This is all about this video, and all the things in this video. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below, and thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you like it.